have got a deeper understanding of every single subject, especially physics, in which I'm weak at. Through stimulations for the concepts of physics, like during current circuits, making of circuits, or lenses, mirrors. So through stimulations and through these virtual tools, I'm able to get a deeper understanding, and with constant doubt solving with teachers and mentors around me, I can always look up to them for any doubt or any advanced level questions if I'm interested in, and they are very open to explore the subject as a whole and not just stay glued to the things or the concepts mentioned in NCERT. I would like to mention wherein my geometry, which is like a very important branch of mathematics as a whole, has improved by joining this institute, as by making of figures and the theorems I get a deeper understanding, because every single theorem over here, all the formulas, they are proved and they are told as how they have been derived. So I'm no longer mugging up formulas, and I'm no longer confused as how did this formula or theorem has been given. Practice, I have been provided with a lot of practice material, workbooks, questions, like in every aspect for every single subject. So with more practice, I have been able to improve my problem solving skills. I do feel confident having my teachers and mentors around, as they will surely guide me with time management as to how to precisely write the answers, and the preparation is my part, so I will try my best as well. It is very coherent as to speaking as how I'm excited for every single class that I attend. Nothing bores me, the teachers, everything is very interactive.